Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the VM host and a valid, bootable USB drive. This matters because each hypervisor handles USB differently. Once done, label or note the device path so you avoid the wrong disk. Make sure virtualization extensions are enabled in your firmware. You need them for pass-through. Now open your VM settings and prepare to attach a USB controller. Do this before powering on the VM. These steps prevent data loss and short-circuit later troubleshooting. With the VM still off, add or enable the USB controller and configure pass-through. Select the exact device ID or path you noted earlier. In VirtualBox, you use filters. In VMware, choose Removable Devices. Hyper-V needs Enhanced Session or USB Redirect. Next, edit the VM firmware or BIOS boot order so USB is first. This forces the VM to read the external installer. After saving, attach the USB to the VM and double-check the mapping so the guest sees the drive before starting. Start the VM and watch the post sequence. Press the indicated key to enter the VM BIOS if you need to force the USB boot. If the USB is not detected, power off and reattach it. Confirm host hasn't mounted it, reinstall or enable guest USB drivers, or as a fallback, convert the USB installer to an ISO and attach that. Once installation finishes, remove USB from the boot order and install VM tools to improve drivers and performance. This prevents accidental reboots back to the installer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.